In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula column in Zoho Analytics. Adding a formula column can be a powerful way to customize your data analysis and enhance your reports. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently creating formula columns to help you gain valuable insights from your data. Let's get started by opening the table within your workspace where you want the new formula column. This is an essential first step because the formula column will be tailored to the specific dataset you're working with. Once you've opened the right table, we can move on to adding our formula column. Navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find an option to add a new column. Click on Add, and then you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Look for Formula Column in this menu and select it. Alternatively, if you prefer working directly within your table, you can also right-click any existing column. This brings up another set of options where you can select Add Formula, followed by Formula Column. Both methods will get you to the same place, the Formula Column dialog box. Now, the Formula Column dialog box should have appeared on your screen. Here, you'll enter the necessary information to set up your new column. The first thing you need to do is provide a name for your formula. Think of this as the header that will appear above your column in the table. Choose something clear and descriptive, so it's instantly recognizable what this formula pertains to. After naming your formula, it's time to build it using the editor provided. This editor is designed to help you construct your formula easily and ensure that it functions correctly. You'll see various options and functions that you can use within the editor to build your formula. Take a moment to think about what you're trying to calculate or analyze. Perhaps you want to sum a series of numbers, calculate an average, or perform a more complex operation. Use the functions available to put together the formula that meets your needs. As you construct your formula, be sure to double-check it for accuracy. This is important because errors in your formula could lead to incorrect data insights. The editor may highlight any issues, but it's always good to manually review your entries to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Once you've composed a satisfactory formula, click OK or Save to apply it. Your table will now update, displaying the new formula column alongside your existing data. Take a moment to review the results and ensure they align with your expectations. By following these steps, you've successfully added a formula column in Zoho Analytics. This skill will allow you to manipulate and analyze your data with greater precision, unlocking deeper insights that can drive your decision-making. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks in Zoho Analytics.